Achievement Award for Best Project, Multi-Product POL Pipeline from Haldia Oil Jetty 3 to Haldia Coastal, BPCL Haldia Coastal Installation. Can we have the team and the representatives from the team on the stage? Can I request the jury again to please come and give this award? I request the representative of the team to say a few words.
Good evening to all. I am happy to receive this award on behalf of my BPCL Haldia POL team. This was really a challenging job. We had laid the 9-kilometer pipeline in Haldia district, East Midnapur, West Bengal. It was a really challenging project. Out of 9.5 kilometer, almost 1.8 kilometer was a challenge for us because there were many unknown utilities and there was a water turning basin. It was really challenging. We had to manage the movement of the ship also. So thanks to Trenchless technology, because of this technology, we could complete this project within no time, I should say. Initially, we were feeling it's very difficult and how do you go ahead and complete the project. But despite lot many challenges besides the COVID pandemic 19, we could do it with the help of this Trenchless technology. Thanks to Bluegrass and Kotek, our vendor, who have helped us right in the COVID period. Thanks to them and thanks to ISTT for giving us opportunity to say a few words about the project. Thanks to all.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
So we have here the team from BPCL Haldia project. First of all, I want to congratulate and thank you for your excellent service in the Haldia coastal installation project. It was a lovely job. I actually came across your file, which is fascinating. So I would like to hear your thoughts. Firstly, I want to hear how is RMA?
It was excellent and we are very pleased and proud to receive this award on behalf of Bharat Petroleum, Haldia project team for laying this multi-product 9-kilometer pipeline in Haldia in district East Midnapur of West Bengal.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words of affirmation.
And we are also thankful to Indian society for Trenchless technology for giving us opportunity to participate, and we are thankful to jury also for getting this best construction project site award for Bharat Petroleum.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And so, I believe you've already answered it, but what were your thought process when you actually came to know that you were going to get this award?
We are really excited. The reason is very simple and very important. The project which we executed in West Bengal, it was very difficult to complete without this new technology, that is Trenchless technology. I don't say it's a new, but it has been existing for last maybe 15 to 20 years. But without this technology, it was, I think, next to impossible to complete this project. And because of this, we could complete in time, that too in pandemic, and we could commission this, and this is really reaping rich dividend to Bharat Petroleum in terms of handling lot of products. Whatever the design capacity was there, we were able to meet it right in the first year itself.
To hear from everyone, what motivates you to be a symbol of excellence in terms of your deliverance in this project. The quality that you guys maintain for this project, what motivates you to hold yourself to a high standard?
As you know that we are working in the central public sector undertaking, and ours is a second largest oil company, Maharatna company, and our main motto is to serve the customers with a smile. So by providing the petrol, diesel in time and meeting the demand of the customer, so that all ROs are always full with the product, so that we can meet the demand of the customer with a smile, and we ensure uninterrupted supply to entire West Bengal and eastern part of India. So that is what it gives a lot of pleasure in serving the customer.
Well, you are there for the people, which is what we want to hear from our PSUs, and I'm glad to hear that from you. And my last question for you is, what do you think is going to be the future of trenchless technology? Let's say in oil and gas.
I should say, and I mean, there is sky is the only limit for this technology. What are the projects are coming? Mostly it are underground, and we all know that it's we have been facing all unknown things. We don't know what are the things are existing in the underground. There are many utilities. It has been spoken by the many people. There are cables, there are pipeline, there are structures. So many things. So I feel the trenchless technology is the only solution to complete our project in time without any cost overrun and time overrun. And it is very safe also.
Well, I would love to hear more about that. Thank you so much for this input. Thank you so much for your thoughts on our team, on our event, and for submitting your nomination. It was an amazing project for us to review as well. Thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you next year for another nomination for an excellent project.
Before I conclude, I would like to thank my entire team who have really provided a dedicated service to complete this project in time. I really thank to our user also, that is retail team, who has really supported us during the execution of this project. Because of their support, we could complete this project in time. And once again, thanks to ISTT for giving us opportunity to say a few words
ITEA.
about this project. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.